What's up, everybody? Glenn and Reid here from Hawaii Trading Academy, coming at you on October 4th. We're going to be doing our weekly watch list, get the trade set up, and just go over the market. So I'll start first. What I have on my chart is the Ethereum futures, just monitoring it. You can see from its low at the end of last month, 27.30, it just popped up. We're just gonna be watching it, seeing if it makes new highs, seeing if this strength continues, and taking action if it presents itself. So same thing for Bitcoin futures. It kind of showed lots of strength over the weekend, whatever it happened, right? So like right now we're at 49,700. We had a previous high of 51,700. So if price closes above that, makes a new high, then it could show the momentum that the bulls are going to be continuing. So let's look at the S&P 500 futures. As a daily chart here, it's been kind of ugly. Well, not ugly, but it's just showing reverse direction. We are no longer in a bull trend. We had a high of 45.49 back in the beginning of September, and that September has just been done. So like at the end, let's see, the end of September, when did we close? Almost 300 points down since the beginning in 1 month. Those gains, right, from the gains from the low of July was all the way until September. It was able to make this new high, and then it all collapsed in 1 month. Interesting market action. My bias, it will be going short in these markets. Same with the Nasdaq. If you were keeping up with the news today, or if you're affected, I'm sure everyone was affected by the social media channels being down, Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp. As you can see, the Nasdaq, it is short. I have some alerts here, seeing if I can get in at these certain levels. We'll see how it goes, but you can see it's on a downtrend. So be careful because volatility is up. ATR is at one ATR is going to be at 244 points. So be careful of that. Natural gas, that I think it's been choppy. Let's look. Oh no, it's been closing higher and higher. I am not in this trade, but something to look at because the volatility did go up, but it seems like the bulls are still keeping the momentum strong. Let's go into the forex market. I closed out a trade for Euro USD Swiss for a small win. Got in on the pullback, rolled it up, but price tanked on this deep pullback, so it took my stops out. Euro USD, I am short. I've been short since the end of this September, so I was fortunate to catch this nice move down. Seems like price pulled back here, and now we're currently creating a low, probably closing below the previous open on yesterday, Monday. Yesterday, because it's Tuesday night, right? Or Monday night, which is Tuesday pre-market. Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Euro pound I was looking at, but right now it's in this crazy consolidation deep phase. I was looking to go long, but it's deep crazy pullback, so that there's no play there, just on the sidelines. Let's look at Euro Yen. Same thing, Euro Yen is looks like it's in a consolidating phase here. It was just sitting and waiting to see if the market develops. So That's all I got for you.
Nice, man. Nice. So just coming off of what you were sharing about, oh wait, can you see? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you're sharing about the S&P 500 on going losing a lot of the profit in September, not Glenn personally, but in September, it's historically across like I guess a 10-year average or something. September is always the worst month of the year. August and September are like rough years. And
Nice.
then it just, I mean, months, and then it just comes back. But anyway, moving on. So CAD yen, I am looking for this continuation long. It's breaking out of the, oh, what's happening?
Oh,
Oh, my bad. My computer just,
okay.
it needed to refresh. All right. So CAD yen is right now, it's really choppy, but I am looking for a better confirmation long. It is creating higher highs little by little. So we got a 3-point top right now, one, and then this created a higher high. But overall, what I'm seeing is 3 points of contact. So this could just fall back down, back into this descending channel. So something similar like this, if it continues to break below 200 EMA. But right now, just standing on the sidelines, but more bull bias than I am bear bias. At least temporary, because we're coming out of this bullish run and breakout. Moving on to Euro Pound. I am in one trade Euro Pound, which is this one right here. I placed it overnight after this ascending channel. We have a bear run, ascending, and then bear run, and then a secondary ascending channel. Got in on it. I like the break below all the EMAs on all time frames that I look at. So 1 hour, 4 hour, and the daily. The daily, especially, I like this doji rejection off of EMA, followed by a strong bearish engulfing. And then it just continued to drop, engulfing this entire range right here on September 28th. So I'm projecting that price could continue down all the way to or around the, what is this? This is the 0.8429 level. So that's what I'm looking for as far as target goes, unless there's a really big rejection. So it's running nice. This is on my mini account, and I will be looking for a secondary position, but not just yet. I don't want to just enter yet. This is at a stop loss, by the way. I mean, break even. My stop loss is at break even right there. Okay, next, following Euro Yen. Euro Yen, I'm also bear bias on this, similar to Euro Pound. Just I like how price tried to go back up. The bulls tried to take over, but the bears just pushed it back down. And it's kind of creating this ascending channel here, this ascending range. But it's kind of ugly. I'm waiting for like maybe something here, and then we'll get an actual pattern to go short, or it'll just fall down. So it'll like go like this and then just bounce down. So I am also on the sidelines, although I'm bear bias on this one. Kiwi CAD. Kiwi CAD, I like how it's just hovering on this ascending channel on the daily. And then we're just coming out of this bear rundown, breaking below the EMAs. And now it's just hovering on this level here. This one is choppy. I don't like it right now, but I am looking for bear positions, something similar like this, and I'll break below the lows, the recent low test here. But sidelines, and then finally I'm in dollar CAD. It's moving against me currently, but if you look at the volume, bull volume is really low, so it's not phasing me. I still have the EMAs in my favor on 1 hour, 4 hour, and the daily. And then it's also breaking down this ascending channel off of a 3 top. So, I mean, I'm just really bearish on this. If I get taken out of this position, I get taken out. It is what it is. But I am looking for another position. If I get taken out, just another position out of this ascending channel going downward. So this is one I am live. I am running negative. This is my top step account. But I just have more probability in my favor right now. So I'm just going to hold on to it, let the trade play out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And then if it provides a better opportunity, then it is what it is. That's all I got, Glenn. Oh, wait, crypto real quick.
Oh,
Bitcoin. Yes, moving beautiful. Rejecting off my EMAs. I didn't get in any. I think I got in like around here actually, and I didn't
yeah.
get taken out. I just held on to it.
All right.
So it is moving nicely. I think yeah, actually did get in back down here, and now it's in profit right now. Not day trading, just long-term holding. And then along with Ethereum, this is my position on Ethereum. So it's kind of like wavering in between profit and just a bunch of chop right now. So I'm just holding on to these two. And if I see price break below these EMAs, then I'll cut my position. But I'm liking it right now. And with my crypto, which is I use Uphold, I can't put stop losses, which is kind of lame. So I can't like trail my stop. I have to actually manually look when I want to close it.
Right.
So that is the negative or drawback of kind of trading crypto. But other than that, man, that's all.
So
All
what
right, so
happened
if,
with Facebook today, man?
yeah, so let's go over Facebook. Facebook is pretty fascinating. So Glenn and I have been talking about the last few weeks how we're kind of seeing a change in momentum from bulls to bears, at least in a small sense. So beginning around September 20th, September 21st, we started kind of seeing these signs of the bearish market coming to play. And then, over the following days, it still was bearish. It had its bull days, couple bull days, and then continued to drop. And then finally on October 4th, which is today, we had this whole Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, social media blackout, right? And in one day, it dropped 5%. And now a lot of people and just a lot of people and institutions will say 5% is not much. But if we actually look back and we measure this here, this is actually turns out to be since the 21st about a 10% move, a little over 10% move total in the last few weeks. Now that's not that again, it's really minor compared to the whole big thing, but we could be seeing continuations. It could also totally reject this EMA and continue forward. And my EMA is just one type of indicator. Again, there's millions. It's fascinating to Glenn and I were just discussing how our technicals showed this drop, this bearish momentum coming in before any outage, before any fundamentals happen. And that's why we kind of emphasize, and that's why Glenn and I are technical traders, because we could almost capture before majority starts coming into the market. And I think it's just a testament to technical trading and why we appreciate it so much. Nothing wrong with fundamentals. I mean, I'm sure people made millions today off of this short here, but it's just the way Glenn and I trades. We could almost see things. You can't predict it. We'll never be able to predict the market, but we could almost identify things, and we have that edge through technicals.
Yeah, absolutely.
So,
And
yeah.
we're not saying we have the crystal ball, but we did see the direction of price action, keyword price action, was forming a bear direction. So,
Yep.
Yeah, it's crazy how it played out. We'll see. We'll see what's to come. Who knows? We might have another blackout tomorrow. I don't know, man.
You never know. Because it looks like we're in
guys.
this bearish trend right now, dude. It's falling bearish run at least.
We might need to whip out the old walkie-talkies and radios, hand cranks.
Pigeon carrier, carrier pigeon, I mean.
Carrier pigeon.
But,
Yes.
all right. I hope you guys took some value on that, and at least makes you more curious on why technical trading is a little bit more edgy.
Yes.
Edgy.
I don't know if you guys were affected earlier this morning with Facebook, Instagram being down. And if you look at the stock, it took a 5% dip. And so there's a lot of speculation going on regarding this whole situation. Lots of people are going as far as Facebook having to answer to the Congress on what happened. There's a lot of speculation. But at the same time, as traders, we're looking at the market from a technical standpoint. and lots of the markets were showing bear signs anyway. So this whatever happened today accelerated the movement of the direction, especially on Facebook, the Nasdaq, overall U.S. indices, lots of tech stocks. But yeah, I mean that's just something you know we get to see and observe today. A lot of people were able to take advantage of it, and this is something that to look out for, guys. So if social media is down, that means you can actually not get distracted, get some work done, learn how to trade, read up on our Hawaii Trading Academy Mighty Networks because that was still up and running.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, stay tuned tomorrow for our Trading Topic Tuesdays. We're going to be sharing our takeaways from trading in the zone, real valuable input and timeless info and content there that will help you on your trading journey. So tune in 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. See you guys there. Have a good one.